What's up, guys? It's been a while. Bitcoin doing all-time highs, 93, I think. Let me check on my other phone. 93, $93,000 yesterday, I think. I'm recording this on Thursday, 14th of November. So let me check really quick. So yesterday, I think Bitcoin had an all-time high of why am I not seeing it right now? Here. So yeah, all-time high yesterday, 13th of November, of $93,000. So, like I said, it's been a while. I don't do a video, but today I want to share with you guys what are my thoughts that will happen on this next cycle. Even if it's, let's say it's special conditions we are living on now. There are currently two wars still on east of Europe and in the Middle East as well. The Fed is already, and also the European Central Bank, already lowering the interest rates, so that's also bullish. So my prediction, not provision, when you don't do videos very often, we start losing our communication skills. I need to restart doing again these videos like I used to do. So so my prediction for this next cycle, this next bull market, it's $300,000 Bitcoin. Why? Well, we need to do now what we call little of Bitcoin history. Why? Because we need to remember this thing. Bitcoin started with people that was anti-government, libertarian type of people, then tech people, techie guys people. Then start having some institutions like banks, investment banks, venture capitalists, the richest guy in the world, Elon Musk from Tesla, SpaceX, etc. Also bought, always friends, nation states like El Salvador made a legal tender. But why the price is going up? That's interesting, right? Because what's happening now, basically, yes, it's institutional money, the big boys, let's call it like that. So it's the biggest investment banks in the world, the biggest financial institution in the world. They are investing in this, and that's why the price is going up, which is very, very good, very positive, and should be like that, because a lot of people will get interest. In the case of Bitcoin, it's a little difficult to that happen. What I mean by that, it's I think almost everyone in the world heard about Bitcoin, and otherwise they are living under a rock. But my point is, and because of course people are just getting in because the price going up, it's a reflexive phenomenon. The price going up, people start buying. The price going down, people start selling. But why I say I believe that this next cycle will go, the top will be around 300,000. And do your own research. This is not financial advice, of course. I'm just a guy here sharing my thoughts. But if we check what was on the chart, the last cycle, so it was 69K, the top. So let's round that to 70K. So 70K, and the previous cycle, the top was 20K. So let's call it, it did a 4x, not because if you 4x of 20K, of course it's 80K, so it's not even a 4x, but okay, let's call it a 4x to simplify the math here. And also I don't want to put this video too long, but my point is, if you do the same from 70K last cycle, 4x, it's 280K. So why I say at least 300K will be the next top on this cycle. Could even be much higher or much lower, we don't know. If we all knew, if we all had magical ball that could say the future, we could be all rich, of course. But my point is that in this cycle, yes, the ETF was already approved. Now the big boys are playing, and they are really much smarter than all of us, because they have much more capital, much more money. They can manipulate even better these things. So my point is, yes, Bitcoin will do probably 300k, Ethereum will do between 20 to 30k as well, because usually it's what these things do. But now the big boys are playing, and that's why honestly I'm not very interested in to make 4 or 5x ROI, return on investment. I'm into crypto to make much higher returns on investment. But my point is, of course, you should do your own diligence and see what has product market fit, and of course you should choose or pick other projects that are not so heavy, that are not already so high the price that to move the price even higher it requires a lot of more capital. But my point is, if you do your own research, of course you're gonna find other products that has lower market caps. They're not very well known yet, and of course you can have much higher return on investments. That's why, for example, I like X, I like Pulse, I like PulseX. All those cryptocurrencies, they are not so well known as Bitcoin is and Ethereum. This next bull market will be very interesting. Will make a lot of people very rich, because inflation. They need to print more money, and every time they print more money, they turn on the machines, everything goes up. All assets, actually, real estate, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. I always call the cryptocurrencies the Formula One of the assets, because the high volatility goes high, very high, and goes also very low, the prices. But if you're patient, you buy low, you sell high. That's the secret, and you can make a lot of money. Because speaking about inflation, just to give you an example, now I'm here having just a normal coffee, and here, this coffee shop, I just received the bill to pay, and I paid for a coffee, normal coffee, €5.50. So €5.50, and I'm not in a, let's call it a 5-star hotel or a 5-star coffee shop, just a normal regular coffee shop. But where I am, €5.50 for a coffee. Yeah, it's a big coffee, by the way. But just so you can understand, that is how this works. More money in the system, more the price of everything goes up, and of course cryptocurrencies as well. So again, guys, if you really want to have more money in your life, you definitely should allocate some parts of your portfolio into cryptocurrencies. Do your own research. If you want to buy Pulse, link description down below. You also should have complete control of your cryptocurrencies. You never let them on the crypto exchanges, because those are centralized. So you should use a hardware wallet if you don't have one yet. Also link description down below. You can buy the most affordable wallet now available on the market for only €24.99, and we ship worldwide. Of course, supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, X, Pulse, PulseX, all cryptocurrencies. And guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. So wish you all the best, all best lucks, and it was a while that I didn't do a video, but I needed to I'm more speaking about Bitcoin, because Ethereum now it's around €3,000, I think, the price. So let me check. Also, now Ethereum it's right now around $3,200. Last cycle it was 5k. So I think if there's at least 5x, probably will even do more, but let's call it 5x. Yes, we'll go between 20 to 30,000. They will print the money and the assets just go up. So take care. Bye.